Stick around for the ultimate Crayon set. Welcome to Jalen's Toy Box.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Jalen's Toy Box. In today's episode, Jalen will be showing us how to use the Ultimate Crayon Collection from Crayola. And it has how many crayons, Jalen?
152.
There you go. So in today's episode, Jalen's going to start off by showing us how to do some artwork and when would be the right time to go ahead and add crayons to color your image. But really, there's no right or wrong way, especially when you're beginning. I think this Ultimate Crayola collection would really help young kids out, and I definitely think there's a lot of value here, and I definitely think it's a great opportunity to kind of give your kids the best tools that will help them ultimately learn how to build their confidence and also to build their motor skills as well and fine-tune that. But with that being said, right, Jalen, you're going to show us some of your artwork, is that right?
Yeah.
That's right. So Jalen has been working on a lot of projects. They're really cool, but stick around with us and you'll be able to take a look at some of his great art collection. Again, stick around with us. Bye, guys.
Bye.
So, did you want to start off by showing us some of your artwork?
Yeah.
So you got these that you already made. So show some of the kids some of the work that you've done. I'm going to hand this over to you. There you go.
I know you just saw this, but I'm gonna just show you what I just showed you first.
Awesome. And who's that, Jalen?
Baby Yoda.
Awesome. I love that color.
That's his name.
That's right.
It kind of looks like backwards because what the angle is shows like that.
Yeah, got it. All right, I'm gonna take that one. Any others?
Yeah. So we're gonna show Sonic.
All right, let's see Sonic. Whoa, that is epic.
Yeah, there's flowers and stuff because there's always flowers.
Yeah, that's right, and Sonic, definitely. I like Sonic. Sonic's a cool game.
Yeah.
And what else? Let's see, what else we got?
I don't Thanos, but he did kind of. I did all myself.
Awesome, that is epic. Okay, got it. All right, so let's take a look then, and let's see now.
Oh, we have one more.
We do?
Yeah.
What else is that one?
Okay.
Oh, it's upside down.
Oh. Okay. It's Knuckles.
Awesome, that's so cool. Now that was definitely epic. I love the Knuckles. All right, so in today's episode of Jalen's Toy Box, Jalen's going to take us through some of his new creations, and Jalen wants to do a picture for us. So he's going to be making a picture of Vegito, which is one of his favorite Dragon Ball Z characters. Is that right, Jalen?
Yeah, I always use him, and I always use it on the computer because it's so easy.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So what we're going to do today to get started with the art is Jalen's going to go ahead and Jalen's going to get started. So what will we need to do some art today, Jalen? What's the first thing that you normally get when you're starting your art? Is it the crayons, or do you normally start off with like your pencils, erasers? Like show us your process.
You have to get your paper first, and then you need your pencil and your sharpener.
Yeah.
So you can sharpen it.
Yeah.
And
the next thing that we'll need is what else? What else do you like to use for your coloring?
we have to have colors, the same colors as Vegito.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just use Vegito color with my validation.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's it.
All right.
I'm gonna do that.
Awesome. So there you go, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So first, we want to show the kids this new pack of crayons. So you're going to open that up for us. And again, this is the Ultimate Crayon Collection from Crayola. So, and this is available on Amazon. if you're interested. So kids, just remember to just ask your parents for permission if you're interested. So Jalen's gonna open that up for us. And let's get started. Let's take a look at that. Jalen, let's see what's inside there.
Yeah, we had to get scissors because there's a little tape escape.
Yeah, so I think for right now, I kind of opened up the back of it back here. So let's see if I can help you out. Let's see if that helps. All right.
This helps.
Yeah, awesome. So there you go. So it's not super difficult. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out of the pack here, just right out of the box. So that's pretty neat. Isn't that neat?
Yeah, it's so neat.
Awesome. So firstly, what are we gonna do with the crayons? Are we gonna do that first or do that last? What do you think?
We're gonna use the pencil first.
Yeah.
Because we had to do it.
Yeah.
And we're gonna ask Google to help because I don't know how to draw him first.
Right.
So I'm gonna draw the step.
Okay.
And I'm gonna show it to you, and you're gonna follow the steps that I did.
That's right. Hear that, kids? So you're gonna follow the steps with Jalen, and Jalen's gonna teach us exactly how to draw Vegito from if you don't know how to do that. And we're gonna be using the Google Assistant. So this is the Google Hub. This is the Hub Mini. So again, it's very helpful, and it's Jalen's little assistant, and he absolutely loves it, right? Isn't that right? All right, so I'm gonna put this aside right now, and we're gonna get started with some artwork. So who are we gonna be drawing today, Jalen?
Vegito.
All right, so let's take a look at Vegito, and let's see how we would do something like that.
Hey Google, how do you draw Vegito?
Is that Vegeta or Vegito?
Vegito. It kind of sounds like Vegeta. It looks like a people's face.
Awesome. You're doing great.
It looks like a heart. I'm not sure we're drawing Vegito correctly.
It looks like you're drawing Vegeta. That's what I thought. So I guess this is a video about drawing Vegeta. You're doing great.
Like Vegeta.
It is. That's cool. Have you ever drawn Vegeta before? So this is your first time? Oh wow, that looks epic. orange, maybe? Or is it fine?
It looks like red.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
He looked like he was going on vacation. That's what he looks like because he went on vacation and they got sunburned.
Yeah.
That's why he only looks like
Yeah. Gotcha.
sunburned.
All right. Let everyone see how far you've done. I'm super surprised, like how much you've done.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like first. You see it?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Now I have this storm.
Oh wow, it's like a stormy night.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Hey Google, how do you spell love Jalen?
Love Jalen is spelled
Oh my God.
L-O-V-E-J-A-L-E-N.
Awesome. That's so cool. Awesome. Well, I think that's an epic photo or artwork that you did there, Jalen, and the lighting looks so real. Yeah.
Mom
Oh.
and Dad.
I think that looks epic. Wow, that's super cool. All right, so let's show the kids what you did. I think the lightning looks super realistic. Vegeta looks extra menacing, scary. He looks like he's up to no good. This futuristic Vegeta. Hope everyone could see that.
It's really hard to see it because I'm angled.
Yeah, that is a pretty cool angle. Let me get that angle. There you go, buddy. Good job on the artwork today. So Jalen just demonstrated how to use crayons, how to draw, and when is the best time to draw in the utensils that you need. And again, there you go. You can use a Google Assistant or an iPad. Jalen has both, but he prefers to use his Google Assistant. Let's take a look at the pencil sharpener or the crayon sharpener. I believe it's right here. Let's try to sharpen one of your crayons because one of the main reasons why we got it was because your crayons were getting a little bit. We're gonna put it in this one right here. It goes in that one. So one of the reasons why we got this is because your crayons were getting a little bit dull, and even one of your crayons broke. So we're gonna just put the crayon in here. Let's get one of these ones out of here, this old 24 pack of crayons.
And put it on this one.
We're gonna put it inside here and see if we can make it sharp again. So we're gonna leave that inside there. It's supposed to be it's a crayon sharpener. Yeah, we're gonna see if that actually works, buddy. So let's first of all get a crayon that's more dull than that one. Let's use one of these because these are the ones that, remember, they're not really sharp anymore. Let the kids see because you use them all the time. So they basically have nothing left on them, if you can see that on both sides. It's kind of like really shaved down. So I'm gonna try it actually to see if I can help you out. If you wanna hold this for me, I'm gonna just see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it together. I'm gonna just twist this in here and see if this actually comes out or if I'm gonna have to do something else here. So it looks like something's happening. So if you can see that right there.
It looks like it's ripping.
Yeah, a little bit. It has to rip a little bit in order for this to work. So basically crayon, I believe, is made out of some type of plastic. So it should peel off into this holster here. We're just gonna keep turning it a little bit to see if we can get this crayon to be more, it looks like it's finally getting more sharper. Do you see that, Jalen?
Yeah.
Take a look at that. So we're gonna take this holster out. Let's just take it out. All right, everybody. So Jalen had such a blast with the Ultimate Crayola collection with 152 crayons inside. Jalen wanted to share with you a few quick words about what his thoughts were about the Ultimate Crayola collection. So Jalen, so tell me, what were your thoughts about the Ultimate Crayola collection since you had a chance to make this amazing piece of art? Can we see your artwork once again? Because that is like so epic.
Yeah.
Because that's pretty cool.
I'm gonna put it here.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, that is cool, Jalen. That is so cool. That's such a fierce Vegeta right there. And love, Jalen, mom and dad. Isn't that cool? All right, so tell us about the picture.
So, this is just the cloud, and he was making lightning. I tried to make a little, like eye going on, because that's his special power.
Right.
And, this is my name.
Yeah.
And this is, where, his armor goes.
Right.
I saw in the movie.
Yeah.
And this is just a little lightning coming out. And it says mom and dad.
Awesome. Well, I think you did such an amazing job. And so what did you think of the Ultimate Crayola collection again? Did you like working with it? Do you think other kids should try it out? What didn't you like about it? So tell me what you liked and then what you didn't like about it, if anything.
So, I love about, like, there was a crayon.
Yeah.
I love the different crayons it was.
Right.
And I was really excited. And I love the colors because it's really sparkly.
Yeah.
It kind of wrinkly in this one.
Yeah.
But it still looks cool. Thank you for watching this video. I see you at the next video.
All right,
Bye.
guys.
See you in the next video.